today we'll do the poem that is The Wind by Subramanyam Bharati. As you know, wind is a natural phenomena, and wind is giving us a chapter, a lesson. It is teaching us that the strong people, they survive in this world, and the weaker ones, they just give up. So the wind blows strongly and causes a lot of destruction. When the wind blows strongly, there is always destruction. So, how can we become friendly with the wind? The poet is requesting to the wind, addressing to the wind, wind, you please come softly. You blow softly, wind, and please not to break the shutters of the windows. You always break the shutters of the windows when you blow very hard, and don't scatter the papers. When the wind blows, the papers also spread up here and there. Then the poet is saying, don't throw down the books on the shelf. Wind, please don't throw down the books also which are lying on the shelf. They just fell down when the strong wind blows. There, look what you did. You threw them down. The poet has personified the wind, and it seems as if he is talking with the wind, and he says, look what you have done. You have thrown all the things down. You tore the pages of the books. Just because of you, the pages of the books are torn down. You brought rain again. All of you know that rain also comes just because of the wind. And then you are very clever at poking fun at weak people. Then the poet, he says, you are really very clever, you are cunning, because you always make fun of the weak people, weak things, because you frail crumbling houses, the houses which are not strong, you just make them fell down. Then crumbling doors, the doors which are not strong, they are also torn up, the pages are torn up, the doors, they just fell down, the walls fell down. Then everything whichever is weak, you just make them fall down. And then crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling everything. The wind god winnows and crushes, he won't do what you tell him. So come, let us build strong homes. The poet is saying it is our duty to make the homes strong, because wind is a god here. He winnows and crushes them all. The wind god is very strong. It is a natural phenomena. It crushes all the things which are weaker one. So what we have to do? We are supposed to make ourselves strong. We are supposed to make our home strong, our doors firm, our bodies must be firm so that we shouldn't feel shattered, and we should make our heart also strong. And the poet is saying, do this and the wind will be friend with us. When we are stronger one, our houses are strong, our doors are strong, we are mentally and physically strong, the wind cannot do anything to us, because the wind blows out weak fires. The poet has given very beautiful example. The fire which is weak, that is blew off by the wind, and the fire which is strong, that just spread up, roar and flourish. So his friendship is good. We praise him every day. If we are friendly with the wind, we are stronger, and it teaches us to be strong, and we should appreciate this natural phenomena. So the poet is appreciating the wind also, and he is telling us that wind is a destructive element. So that's all for today, and tomorrow we shall do the next part, the question answers.